How to log in into Cash app with Cashtag. Here, login into Cash app using your Cashtag is not the standard way to log in. Instead, Cash app typically requires your phone number or email address for authentication. However, your Cashtag is used to identify your account for receiving payments, not for logging in. So to log in into Cash app, you have to open up the Cash application. You have to enter your phone number or your email, and after that you have to verify your identity, where Cash app will send you a login code to your phone or email, and enter the code in the app to verify your identity. After verification, you'll be logged in. Unfortunately, your Cashtag is only for your unique identification for sending and receiving money, but can be replaced the login process. If you experience login issue, ensure you are using the correct phone number or email linked to your account. For further help, you can contact Cash app support directly through the application or their website. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.